Morning. With Independence Day in the US, a lot of the trading activity paused. So we're seeing futures flatten after what has been a massive ramp up last week, thanks to overall good economic recovery in the first half of this year, and also more recently, great jobs data in the US. It's interesting also to see oil hitting new record highs as an OPEC meeting was cancelled, so halting the potential increase in production. Now onto markets that don't take any day off, crypto. Yesterday, Bitcoin walked back on most of the weekend's gains, so dropping from 35K to 34K, so down about 3.5%. We're still in that choppy in-range action, but looking at the chart in potentially a smaller uptrend that could reverse a longer downtrend, so things are looking hopeful. The Bitcoin dominance continues to edge down slightly, now at 45.4. That means alts are not only holding up, but grabbing some market share, which itself denotes of a certain risk on tilt in the crypto space. Among the best performers, AVE and Comp, again, that are up about 13%, the Graph up 4%, and also Terra up 2.5%. Other coins are actually down, but down less than Bitcoin or tracking the performance, so holding up. Looking at interesting data, it's great to see a CoinShares chart tracking weekly inflows or outflows of crypto-linked products. And last week was the first time in 5 weeks that inflows came back, suggesting that institutions are finding this price point and the fundamentals appealing enough. An interesting news that came through is the Philippines Stock Exchange planning to issue its own cryptocurrency exchange. And while this might not sound like the most significant jurisdiction, it continues the slow seeping in of crypto into traditional finance globally. Now on a less bullish side though, we just heard that Barclays in the UK is stopping clients from sending funds to Binance. Probably a good move on their side from a compliance perspective, but definitely highlighting the fact that regulators are looking at crypto and having a real impact. Lastly, because you know I like to look at on-chain data, a chart by CryptoQuant shows the on-exchange reserves of Ethereum drying up. This either means people are going full-on decentralized exchanges, or that the staking is indeed taking place and reducing the selling pressure all around, which in turn is supportive, of course, of higher prices. We'd love to hear your thoughts on that, so feel free to chime in and comment. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.